Hello and welcome to Wolf Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2024 Terrain AT4 all-wheel drive. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks with keyless entry and push start. This vehicle has memory seats, also ventilated and heated seats with a heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, navigation, front collision alert, lane keep assist, and a nice panoramic sunroof. Our AT4 all-wheel drive Terrain has the 1.5 liter turbo paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Lots of room in the rear passenger compartment with seating for 3 60/40 split folding seats, has the GMC heavy-duty molded floor mats, and also a couple of USB plugs for the rear passengers. Thank you for shopping at Wolf Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2024 GMC Terrain AT4, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.